Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver www.gigabyte.com. This official website. You can download the driver, and then this is search icon, just click on it, and then model number, enter the model number of motherboard AORUS RTX 2080 Ti 11G. After that, search your graphic card on this website and then click on the product. So this is your graphic card, just click on it. Then click on support. And then select your operating system, Windows 10 11, Windows 10 11 7 8 8.1, same, all the operating system installations process same. And this is download icon, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see here it is start downloading. 4 to 5 minutes it will complete, and after that click on three dot and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.